In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can force restart an iPhone 16 Pro Max. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Overall, this is pretty easy to do. You just have to hit a few buttons in a combination quickly. However, what this will do is fix any audio bugs that you might be having, any visual bugs that you might be having. If your iPhone is stuck in a certain app, this will fix that. If your iPhone is just completely frozen and unresponsive to touch, this will also fix that, and so much more. But essentially, what you're going to want to do is quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button, and then quickly press and hold the side power button, and just keep holding down on that side power button even after the screen goes black. Just keep holding on it until you see the Apple logo appear. Once that Apple logo does appear for you, release that side power button, and after you do that, you're essentially good to go. Your iPhone 16 Pro Max has now entered the force restart state. If you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But once again, this is really going to fix everything for you. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.